Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
What's up, Randomly fam? Today we're going to be making Sloppyjoe fries. I don't know if you guys ever tried this, but this particular day was my first time making them, but it turned out great. Here's the ingredients that I chose for this dish: 2 cans of Manwich sauce, 2 pounds of ground chuck, some cheese to put on top, and then some great value potato wedges. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do is get your pan heated up, and then I'm going to chop up some onion and the jalapeno while that's heating up. You want to cut the onion into small pieces as well as the jalapeno, because you don't want like big long chunks of that in your Sloppyjoe. So as you can see, I'm finally chopping up the onion. And then I didn't want to make it too spicy, so I just used like a little bit of the jalapeno because I still had to feed my daughter with it. Now the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add a little bit of classic olive oil. And then you want to start simmering your vegetables. Look at that. You want to cook it until it gets a nice caramel look, such as this. It's nice and caramelized. You want to get it a little bit pre-softened before you add the meat. Alright, and next are the seasonings I'll be using for the ground beef. I'll purchase at your local Walmart or any grocery store. Look at that goodness. You want to make sure you cook this until it's nice and brown. Alright, the meat is nice and brown. All that grease in the bottom, you want to drain all that meat. Get all that grease out of there. It's so funny. The other day, my sister called me up. Was like, I'm going to make Sloppyjoes. I'm like, oh man, that sounds good. I'm like, oh, you know how we do chili fries? We should try to make Sloppyjoe fries. So she cooked it the day before I did, and she said it was a hit. So I was like, I'm about to try that too, and make a video, of course, out of it. So let me know in the comments if you guys ever tried Sloppyjoes on your fries or any other type of way. I would love more recipes, and I love to hear. Alright, now it's time to add the Manwich sauce. And then on the can it said, all you need to do is just pour the sauce over the meat and serve. But I like to let mine simmer a little bit, just like 5 minutes. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Alright, we're going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes. And the next clip is going to show how I like it to look when it's simmering for about 5 minutes. There's the finished look. Look at all that goodness, y'all. So yeah, hopefully you guys try this out. If you do, leave a comment. And then if you have any other recipes with Sloppy Joes, I would love to hear those. Like, I love to cook at home. So yeah, if you guys try this out, let me know. Leave a comment down below. So I put the cheese on first so it can like keep the fries together a little bit. And then add the Manwich meat on top. And then, yeah, I know I'm bad. I add more cheese on top of it afterwards. I would say this meal would be good for like a big tailgating party when football comes back on television, and or even now during the playoffs while the basketball season's still going. Or if you have a big family, this would be good for a big family. Just a pot of manwich meat and some fries. It took like almost no effort to make this. And then for the fries, you can put in the air fryer. I put in the regular fryer with oil, or you can bake them. And here's the completed product. Looks so good. And now here's a message from my hubby and daughter.
This looks good. Like and subscribe. You'll get good food like this every video.
All right, you heard him. Like and subscribe, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.